Good afternoon, everybody in our traders worldwide. We know you're here, and it's a good thing to be here. BKNG, $33 range on Friday. Negative $431 million was a sell program. So we had a quadruple witch. I call it triple witch. Friday expiration on Friday. Today's date 6/23 and all. You'll find that on 6/21. Now, here's the great thing about it. We trade it. Used to be called Priceline. Bookings.com, but just let me tell you something. With $33 ranges up and down, it is the best way to make a lot of money in options. We make the market. We give out the orders, not you. So here, let's take a look a little bit about what BKNG did. We got above 100-week moving average, which is significant, and that's at 1890.6. But let's take a look at the weekly breakout going into options expiration Friday. We were above that 10-week moving average. That 10-week moving average was 1795. Yes, it was. There's a blue line. It's dark blue. That's a 40-week moving average at 1806, and that 20-week, which was at 1795. 10 and the 20 were coming together. Now, see, the only thing that was negative prior to this move is that this black line, that's a 50-week moving average. And it crossed over the 100-week moving average. Now, some people could say, oh, that's a death cross or whatever. I could just say one thing about it. Is that volatility, we went burning right up through here. You can go over here where we have this last downside move. So you could see it all done on a weekly. That was a beautiful 5-week move. Trading the options daily. Look what happened over here. In the beginning of 19, we called that they were going to miss the earnings. And they did. And they went, oh yeah, that video is on this channel, pal. One of these contracts, you could have retired. But that's what this weekly looks like for 2019. And now we're right back up here again. That means that this neckline right there, that upper trend line, is going to be the power of resistance. We'll have a little shorter one right here, So we had a sell down. When we went into the 100-week and that 50-week, we sold straight down on the put side of that market paid. This is where it cleared the 200-week moving average, and this was very significant, and it got above it. That's a 200-week moving average. Not only that, you know what else is very significant in this weekly chart, and I'll tell you, is that the readings that we're going to see in tomorrow's price will actually be another big day, and it will. What I can say is that the weekly sales signal on that MACD is minus 13. The previous week, it was minus 23. As this minus 13 sell signal, MACD, that's what the public calls it now, and that's minus 13. As that number goes down in value, the upside movement will be stronger in value. Support levels will be stronger in value on pullbacks, and this is a great one right here. I can only tell you, if you were here, you would love every minute of it because it's live in action. And don't feel embarrassed. You're going to know more than other people. We're not a retail outlet or the kind of retail crap that you get involved with on the internet when it comes to markets. We're way beyond that. We're a market-making firm. That's why you get this updates before these stocks ever happen, before they move. Index, which way, up, down, this and that. It doesn't really matter. Making a market with a $33 range. Right here. $33 intraday range. 49 highs, 2 lows. But look at here. You can see it. If it shows it, minus $431 million. Somebody was selling on that close. And we're right up here. This is going to be first thing up in the morning. That I can tell you right now. On BKNG. Options trading at its best. Market maker. Market making. Market maker firm. That's who we are, what we are. You don't have that on the internet. You're not going to find it. Period. So pat yourself on the back and come on. And we'll have a couple days in the market and chit chat and have some fun.